What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Go YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock. We will also cover the overall market. It was a rough, way to start the week, guys. We had a SoFi selling off about 5% on the day. Also, a lot of the mega caps were selling off. We'll look at some of the rotations we're seeing inside of the market right now. But, guys, I don't think there's anything wrong with the SoFi stock right now. I think fundamentals are hitting right where they need to be, guys. We just hit profitability and we're looking for back-to-back profitable quarters. And if you look at the way SoFi, does their guidance, they are very, very conservative on their guidance, guys, and they put out guidance of 10 to 20 million dollars of profitability. I think that number is going to come in right between 30 and 40 million, guys. So that's exactly what, the overall, market is going to want to see, back-to-back profitable quarters. And of course, we still have no confirmation on any timeline for potential rate cuts. You got people saying there's going to be 4 to 6 rate cuts, and then other people are saying there's going to be no rate cuts for 2024. So still, nobody knows exactly what's going on. This inflation has been, riding the SoFi stock for, 2, 3 years. But I still don't think SoFi is getting priced for its growth rates right now of 35%, and profitability has been shown. So it's just going to take a little bit of time, guys. Remember, we have a battle right now between $8.30 and $9.30, guys. These are the bullish and bearish, price levels that we need to watch out for specifically for this week. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, you can see here we have the list of the Magnificent Seven, on the day. Meta, Google, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, and you can see, most of the mega caps are cooling off a little bit. I mean, big pullbacks on Tesla, 8%, 3% on Apple, 3% on Google. But you can see, guys, Nvidia just keeps on rising up, guys. These are the semiconductor stocks, and a lot of the other ones, there's like 5 to 10 other semiconductors that just continue to follow. Not all of them are performing like an Nvidia's. And we're going to be looking at the tech stocks, the fintech technology plays. You can see right here, SoFi finished at the end of the table today, guys, down 5%. Palantir down 4.7%. MQ down 4.9%, Upstart 3%, Square down 4%, Affirm 1%, PayPal 1.3%, Nubank 1%, and then Robinhood was a little bit in the green today. Got that Bitcoin helping them out dramatically. But guys, you can see SoFi was just absolutely getting slapped today, guys. No bad news at all, guys. Just a nasty sell. A lot of people were talking about, this stock just ramping through $9, no problem. We were at 9.13 today early on in the pre-market. It's just one of those, nasty sell-off days, in fintech. So we just got hammered. But we got a little bit of good news right here, guys. You can see the SoFi stock, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest has returned 782,646 shares. This is about $6 to $7 million buy. We know that she's been buying like crazy the past couple of months, so this is a pretty big buy. But I want you guys to understand that Cathie Woods, did disappear for a couple of weeks. I mean, I haven't done a video on Cathie Woods in a while. I just want to show you guys that. So this was the last buy she made, everybody. Look at this, February 21st. So she hasn't bought in the past 2 weeks. And if we just look at the stock price of February 21st, we could see where she sees maybe buying opportunity because, she wasn't buying when the stock was breaking over 9, the past couple of days. So you can see February 21st, the stock was around $8.11, 8.15. So all these days she wasn't buying. So she wasn't buying, and, the stock was over $9 like, 3, 4 days, I think, last week. So she came back and she's buying again at, probably the $8.50, $8.60 level. So I know a lot of people, bag on Cathie Woods, but it looks like, these are the levels she feels really comfortable buying the SoFi stock at. And there's other stocks that she is holding right now on the day that she's just not buying. So right here, guys, take a look. Robinhood is the stock she owns. She's been selling Robinhood the past couple of weeks. You can see if we scroll down a little bit further, Coinbase, she is also selling Coinbase, and these are stocks that are performing very, very well. And she's, buying very heavily on the SoFi stock. So it doesn't look like she's seeing a big of a discount on Robinhood and Coinbase. Obviously, Coinbase is up like 500%. And if you look at RKW, the exact same thing, continues to sell Robinhood, continues to sell Coinbase. So guys, I've been telling you, I think this stock should be valued at SoFi right around like $14 to $16. We're talking 6 times price to sales, okay? You're seeing the legacy banking stocks trade at 2 to 3 times sales, and we're talking we're having growth in the 35% range with profitability, and that profitability is expected to grow 700%, over the next 3 years in 2026. And the analysts just don't believe any of the management's guidance at all, guys. I mean, if you see the growth rates that these analysts think SoFi is going to do this year, this is the buy of the century. I mean, they're putting up a 15% revenue growth for SoFi, and they just put up 35% plus last quarter. This is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. Look, these are the estimates, the average estimates. And if you just go to full year, you can see we got 12 analysts covering the stock, and they're seeing, average revenue of about 2.4 billion. They're putting us at 15% revenue growth, guys. Absolutely insane. They just think this stock is going to fall off a cliff because they are not ramping up their lending from what they said for Q4 guidance. So, guys, this is something to consider. I mean, if the SoFi stock comes in at 25 to 35% revenue growth again for 2024, these levels are going to be nowhere to be found towards the end of the year, guys. These $8 levels are going to look like a gift. Right now, they don't look like a gift because you're seeing them so often for, the past year. You're just continuing to see the $5 to $10 level the past year. But understand, if SoFi management continues to execute and Galileo ramps up to 25, 35% growth, these levels are not going to be here that long. And you're seeing exactly what Cathie Woods is doing. She's buying SoFi. She's selling Robinhood. She's selling Coinbase. She also owns Palantir. She's not buying Palantir anymore. I believe the SoFi stock should be trading around $16. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.